This is what your morning looks like when AI runs your day.
Your tasks, your calendar, your news. One command, one dashboard. You're going to build that in the next 12 minutes. Last week, you wired everything together. This week, you're going to flip the switch. One command in the morning, one command at night, and you can check it all from your phone. Let's build. Morning Briefing runs first thing. It runs 2 skills in sequence. What's My Day for your tasks and calendar, and Daily News for headlines that matter for your context. One command, full dashboard, renders in your browser. It also drafts a copy in your Gmail so you can check it from your phone. CloseMyDay runs at the end of the day. It shows you what's done, asks you to confirm, and stages tomorrow. Nothing's written without your approval. And with those 2 bookends, you can add tasks just by talking. No skill file needed, just a taught behavior.
One quick setting first. Go to Settings, the gear icon, bottom left, then Features, and make sure your AI-powered artifacts is toggled on. This is what lets the morning briefing dashboard render visually in the side panel. If it's off, you'll just get plain text. Now, 3 skill files to install. Same process you learned in episode 3. Download a zip file from the link in the video description. In Claude Desktop, go to the side panel, click Customize, click Skills, then click the plus sign in the Skills column. Click Upload a skill, then drag in the zip file or click the folder icon to upload it. First, What's My Day? This pulls your tasks from Notion and your calendar from Google Calendar into one view. Second, Daily News. This searches for your headlines relevant to your industry. You configure the topics in the skill file. AI, business, tech, whatever matters to your work. Third, Morning Briefing. This is the orchestrator. It calls What's My Day and Daily News in sequence. One command, multiple data sources, one unified output. Install CloseMyDay the same way. Download it and upload it to your project. And because there are plain text markdown files, you can read every line before you install them. You know exactly what they do.
Now, the fun part.
Type Morning Briefing. Watch what happens. Claude calls What's My Day first. Your Notion task by priority, your Google Calendar events for today. Then, Daily News fires. Relevant headlines with source links. One command, 2 skills, all your data in one place. Now, here's the payoff. On Claude Desktop, the briefing generates a styled HTML page that opens automatically in the artifact window. Calendar events with color-coded time blocks. Tasks ranked by priority. News headlines with source links. That replaces 30 minutes of app hopping with your time focused on reading. If you're finding this useful, subscribe. Every episode in this series builds on the last. You don't want to start episode 5 without what we're building today. But here's the part I didn't expect to love this much. Morning Briefing automatically saves a styled copy as a Gmail draft. Open Gmail on your phone, your tablet, any browser. Your full briefing is sitting right there in drafts, rendered beautifully. Check your Gmail drafts. Your briefing is already there.
What's My Day pulls tasks from your Notion Actions database and merges those with the Google Calendar events. 2 data sources merged in one view. Daily News pulls relevant headlines based upon your context. 3 to 5 items, each with a source link. You pick the topics from the skill file. The orchestrator detects what tools are available. In Claude Desktop, HTML is rendered in the browser. For Claude.ai or the mobile app, inline text, same data. Best format depending on the surface.
This is why we built on projects. Claude projects sync to iOS and Android in real time. Set it up once on desktop, then open the app on your phone. Tap your project and run any skill from wherever you are. The orchestrator is for desktop, but each skill runs independently. On mobile, type WhatsMyDay for just tasks and calendar, or Daily News for just headlines. Pick the depth based on where you are.
One more thing before we get to the evening. Processing tasks. You don't need a skill file for this. You can just add a short paragraph to the project instructions telling Claude how you want to process tasks. Then, just talk to it.
Add task, call dentist by Monday, high priority. That's it. Claude creates it in your Notion Actions database with the right properties. Title is the only required field. Due date and priority are optional.
You wrote the instructions, you control the scope. Claude will do what you tell it to do. Zero friction between I need to do something and it being in your system. In a future episode, I'll show you how to set up iPhone shortcuts so you can text yourself a command, Claude will do the rest.
End of the day. You've worked through your tasks. Some are done, some aren't. CloseMyDay closes the loop. Type CloseMyDay. Watch what it does. Claude reads your Notion tasks, identifies what you worked on today, and shows you a numbered list of what it plans to mark complete. Plain English, inline, not hidden in a pop-up. Nothing writes until you say so.
CloseMyDay enforces confirmation before write because the consequences are real. And that's not a limitation, it's a design choice. Every change gets logged, so you can always go back and see exactly what was done. And the skill file includes a parameter called Disable Model Invocation. That means Claude can't run the skill on its own. You're the one that always starts it.
Anything you didn't finish stays in the system, and you get a preview of tomorrow, what carried forward, plus what's already on the calendar. Tomorrow morning, morning briefing, picks up right where tonight left off.
And here's what's going to happen. Tomorrow morning, you'll type 2 words in and your day will be waiting for you. And then at night, you'll close out in about 30 seconds. And then maybe 3 days from now, 5 days from now, maybe a week later, it'll stop surprising you and you'll just come to expect it. But at that moment, that's when it changes your life. Not when it surprises you, but when you start missing it if it was gone. And unlike most AI content you've seen, this system has guardrails. You control what it reads, what it writes, when it takes action, and the diagram shows every layer. We'll go deeper in episode 6, but for now, you have guardrails. L3 on the Metro map, the daily commuter, is complete. The daily rhythm is what separates people who just try AI from the people that use it. Here's what you built today. Daily briefing, 1 command, full dashboard, a draft to your Gmail. Daily task capture from your phone or your desktop. CloseMyDay, an evening closeout with confirmation from you before anything's written. A daily rhythm you can start using tomorrow and every day after. Next episode, we zoom out to weeks. Weekly planning, weekly review, and I'm going to show you how to make this system all yours. Create brand new skills from scratch, modify existing ones, no coding required, no technical background required. Just plain English describing what it is you want. That's the thing about this, it's not locked. You can keep adapting it. Change what's there, add what's missing. Once you see how simple it is, you'll never look at these tools the same way again. Go experiment, interact with AI, and reconsider what you thought was impossible, because most of it isn't anymore. If this was useful, subscribe. Each episode builds on the one before. All 4 skill files are in the video description. WhatsMyDay, Daily News, Daily Brief, and CloseMyDay. I'll see you at the next station in the next episode.